In this question, we're given some information about the electron configuration of an atom, and then we're asked which block it's in and whether it's a metal or a nonmetal, and in both cases we have to check all that apply. I guess technically we also have to check to see if it's a metalloid. So here, the outermost orbital is F11. So the block it's in has to be F, because whatever the outermost orbital is, that's the block that you're going to find the element. So that's fairly straightforward, but let's determine if it's a metal, a nonmetal, or a metalloid. In this case, we know it's a metal because all F elements are metals, so there's no option there. But let's look here. If we go to F11, so this is the F block here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this molecule could either be erbium, or fermium. So one of these two elements. Although this is apparently a man-made element, in theory it could be either one of these elements. So either of these are metals, so we're safe to choose metals. In the next case, we have some s electrons, some d electrons, and then p4. So the outermost orbital is a p orbital. We don't know which p orbital, and it has 4 electrons in it. So this has to be in the p block. However, when we're checking to see if this is a metal, a nonmetal, or a metalloid, we need to look at the periodic table. So if we look at P4, so this is P, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're looking at group 6A, these elements here. However, since there are d electrons in the original electron configuration, we know that the first one it could be is selenium. It could also be tellurium, or theoretically polonium, which again is a man-made element. So here are the 3 elements that it could be, because they have 4 p electrons and they have d electrons. Selenium is a nonmetal. Tellurium is a metalloid. Polonium is also a metalloid. So in this case, your choices are nonmetal or metalloid. In the last case, we have NS1 and then MD10. So in this case, for whatever reason we're not going to get into here, there's 1 electron in S and then you're in D, so you're essentially in this row. You're not here because it's not S2. It's not, for example, 4S2, 3D10. It's 4S1, 3D10, so it has this number of electrons. So here we're at copper, silver, and gold. Well, copper, silver, and gold are all in the D block, which we also know because the last electron's at D, so they're in the D block, and copper, silver, and gold are all metals.